Hello everyone, welcome to ALM.
What parts does a saddle cross roller guide consist of? The basic structure of a saddle cross roller guide consists of 4 pieces guide rails, 2 pieces cross roller cage assembly. The roller cage assembly includes freely rotating cylindrical rollers arranged in a cross-shaped pattern at 90-degree angles to each other. 8 pieces end stoppers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The end stoppers need to be inserted at the rail ends. Cross roller guides are designed for limited strokes. It can handle loads in any direction while providing extremely high accuracy and smooth linear motion. ALM is a professional cross roller guide manufacturer. Models are available in various sizes, which can be selected based on your application. Welcome to inquiry.